down there.
Right, cheers, love. Straight in, yeah?
Oh, that's a nice man for that.
Oh, Lee, you fucking... That's cool.
That is nice. So's that at the back.
No, there's that cadet. That lad's just joined Knightsbridge. Got a gap, I need to get a car in here.
You are?
Need to put a car in this gap.
Dave's got one still hidden away, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's got a couple on it.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got one.
Typical bank holiday weekend, and it is the 1st of May, so weather forecast is this is going to blow over later, fingers crossed. It's good to see so many of you here in Chelmsford that we've got. At least we haven't got snow from where it's hemisphere in Scotland. But it's great to see so many different vehicles here, different types of vehicles here, from four-wheel drive, Land Rover, big trucks right over the back there, to the motorcycle, and lots and lots of classic cars in between.
What's that?
Now, many of you,
Yeah.
electric cars, you drive them. Lots of trade stores here, selling anything you want.
State of that, man. How the fuck you drive that? I wouldn't know. Yeah.
How's it going?
Oh shit, he's just did it.
You've punched a few times, like. But I suppose you've got a few lads hiding out, haven't you? You're not ready to dive in, but. Huh? Now. Cool.
It's not my door, is it?
You know, Lee, I was still laughing this morning. That little bird's face last night.
Is the kick cartons company. Even with the food there, so you've got the engines.
Expect that, wouldn't you?
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
And you smack me head then.
I didn't realise it's going over.
If it's American, we want you to bring it into the arena. Now, we've got the winner.
There you go, there. There you get
No.
Right, the winner then, ladies and gentlemen, is Mr. Dirk McQueen with his...
McQueen! Lightning McQueen!
1979. Well, congratulations, well done indeed. Absolutely incredible vehicle, and we're going to see you back here for the car show this afternoon at 3 o'clock.
Okay. It'd be nice to see something like that with one of these shows, you know, it's great to see it.
Come on, give him a round of applause then, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a round of applause. Thank you very much for all of you for taking part. Unfortunately, we can only have one winner. For one money was only 79. You can come back. If you've got an 80, you can come back. It doesn't matter what it is.
You are?
You all come back.
You reckon I can drown him out?
Come back. 70s, all the 80s. We want you to come back into the arena when we do those sections. But for now, thank you very much indeed for being with us. And to be right into the arena now, all the American cars.
Actually, this is one, I think.
Fit, not just bit. It's like that. Not in a good way.
spinning then?
Yeah. I'll just slide it clutch a little bit.